Do an experiment here. And then let's lock up the mirror. Take a look inside. Don't have any heat buildup. Nope. Nope. That was the mirror up. I was taking a look at the Teflon coated shutter blades. Let's do that again. No, I need to go over one more. It's hard to see in total darkness, you know. Okay, now we're going to go to mirror lockup. Take a look in there. Don't have any heat signature on the Kevlar shutter blades, nor on the mirror assembly bleeding through the wall. I recalibrate the FLIR. So, apparently not. That was the Nikon D3, by the way. Thank you for watching. Bye.